Welcome everyone to this presentation, which gives an overview of the Outbreak Investigation tool. This is one of the data collection tools developed by the Epidemiology and Control of Peste Petit-Ruminant project, or ECo-PPR project. For more details of how to use this tool in the field, have a look at the second presentation, which is a field researcher's guide to using the tool. The aim of the outbreak investigation is to determine whether a disease problem in a flock is caused by PPR virus. An outbreak investigation should be conducted if PPR-like signs are reported during a key informant interview, a community meeting, the household survey, etc., or when outbreak reports or rumours are received through passive surveillance. During all project activities, you should be on the alert for information about possible cases of PPR disease. The case definition for PPR-like disease, or pneumoenteritis syndrome, can be used to help to decide whether a disease report might be a case of PPR. If you hear of or see a flock that has several sick animals showing some or all of the clinical signs listed here, you should record it as a possible PPR case, and an outbreak investigation should be carried out. Commonly seen signs of PPR are nasal discharge, lacrimation, coughing, sneezing, or diarrhea. If you check the body temperature, you may find animals with fever, and if you look in the mouth, you may see mouth lesions. Finally, some of the animals may have died, although mortality can be low. The outbreak investigation is made up of several steps, starting with an interview with the livestock keepers to gather epidemiological information about the disease problem. Next, we carry out a general examination of the flock to get an overview of the main clinical signs, and then select individual sick animals for clinical examination. You can then decide whether the disease fits the case definition for PPR-like disease. If it does, then the next step is to collect samples to run the PPR virus rapid diagnostic test and collect samples for submission to the laboratory for PCR and sequencing. If there are any recently dead sheep or goats, a post-mortem examination can be carried out and tissue samples can be collected for laboratory submission. The fresher the carcass the better, but within the last 24 hours can still be useful. For more details about outbreak investigation, please refer to Section 6 of the ECo-PPR Project Field Researcher Manual, and Annex 9, which describes the PPR Rapid Diagnostic Test, and Annex 10, which is the Outbreak Investigation Form. More detailed information about how to investigate outbreaks is provided in our second presentation. Thank you for watching this presentation. I hope you found it useful.